Bonjour, mes amis. It's Madame Yagi. I just want to walk you through this new category of verbs. It's not that complicated, but I just want to make sure you know what's going on. So these are regular RE verbs. Regular meaning it follows a pattern, and there's a whole bunch of verbs that fit into this category, where you can just drop the last two letters and then add endings. So with regular RE verbs, you're going to drop the RE and then add the endings. There is a song for this if you think that's going to be helpful. And that is SS nothing ONS EZENT. SS nothing ONS EZENT. Okay, short and sweet, simple, straightforward. Okay, so we're going to use the verb vendre as an example. First step is to drop your RE, and that gives you your stem. And you're going to carry that stem all the way through. And then you add your endings, which is S, S, nothing, ONS, easy, ENT. After all the other verbs you've learned, this really shouldn't be that complicated. Okay, and then some common ones that I expect you to know. Attendre is to wait for. Notice that the for is actually part of the verb, so you don't have to stick another word on there. So if you want to say, I'm waiting for the bus, it is j'attends le bus. Nothing in between the verb and bus. Défendre is to defend, like you defend a goal in soccer. Descendre is to go down, like you go down the stairs, you go down the ski slope. Entendre is to hear, which is a little bit different. We know the verb écouter, which is to listen. Entendre is to hear. Perdre is to lose. Rendre is to return. And it's not like she returns to the house. That's retourner, an ER verb. This is like you return a book to the library. Répondre is to respond or answer. Like if the teacher asks you a question, it's je réponds à la question. And vendre, as we said, to sell. That's it. If you have questions, let me know, but I'm thinking this should be fairly straightforward for you.